The rent is due now, not later. The bills are due now, not later. Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, hey girl, hey boy, my name is eri.reneee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So today's video is going to be like a Sunday reset. So today is Sunday. So usually on Sundays I like to relax, do a little self-care, but this particular Sunday I'm going to be cleaning my house a little bit. I'm going to be doing some self-care still, because who doesn't love a good self-care? And yeah, so I think before this clip you all saw me clean up a little bit. I organized my pantry. I got some groceries. I get my groceries from Target, so I did like a little pickup order. And yeah, I just got like some, groceries for the week. And also I got me some stuff from Bath and Body Works, because I kind of want to switch out my little hand soaps that I have in my kitchen and in my bathroom. So let me set y'all up. Let's get right into it. And then I just have on this little pajama set, y'all, from Target. So yeah, Target be having some cute pajamas. Don't sleep on Target if you do, because they have some cute pajamas. So yeah, I have these little hand soaps. Bath and Body Works had a sale yesterday. Let me tell you how today's date. Today's date is November the 21st, Sunday. So yesterday, Bath and Body Works had like a little sale on their hand soaps. I think it was $2.95, which is like so cheap, y'all. So I got 4 hand soaps, 2 of the same, because I want to have the same in my bathroom and in the kitchen. So the first scent I got is Mary Cookie. It smells so good, y'all. It smells just like a little vanilla cookie. It smells so good. And then I got Warm Vanilla Sugar, which is the go-to scent. If you know about Bath and Body Works, you already know. This smells so good. So I think I'm going to use these first. So I'm just going to put these up or whatever. And then, so yeah, I'm going to put these up, and then I'm about to walk Bella. If you don't know who Bella is my girl. She's my dog. Love her, so I had to take her on a walk. Get Bella rejuvenated for the week, so she won't be showing out. So take her on a good little long walk. And yeah, I guess I'll see y'all when I come back, because I'm probably going to I usually work out, but I don't think I'm gonna work out today, because I'm trying to relax and I just don't feel like doing that right now. So I might not work out. I may, I don't know. We're gonna see when I come back, y'all. Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. I just came back in from walking Bella. So I'm about to make me some breakfast, y'all, but it's literally the same breakfast that I always make. If y'all are subscribed and you see any of my other lifestyle videos, girl, it's the same type of breakfast, okay? Like, I just like eating the same things. I don't like to switch up, especially since I'm trying to like you know, eat a little bit healthier. I just feel like it's easier to get the same things. So today I'm gonna make me 2 pieces of turkey bacon, and then I have these bagel thins. If y'all love eating bagels but you don't really want to like consume that many calories, bagel thins, girl, it's so good to me. Okay, my light cream cheese, and then also to get me prepared for the week, get my immunity system, keeping it together, I like to take these little immunity boosters. I get these from Target. This is a probiotic shot. It has ginger in it, cayenne pepper, it has raw honey, and orange juice. So yeah, this is really good, y'all. And it doesn't taste that bad compared to like some of the drinks I be drinking. Cause yeah, some of them drinks be kind of nasty. And then just to get me prepared for the week, because I am going to be working out Monday through Friday, I just want to get my body prepared to just take over the world, okay? Like just get it prepared. So I have my little green drink. This is the Suja organic cold pressed. This has apple, banana, mango, lemon, and kale. It's actually not that bad because it has mostly like fruits in it. Girl, some green drinks, like I drink them sometimes, but they really are disgusting. So I'm just gonna take it light today and just drink this one. So I'm gonna drink this while I'm waiting for my breakfast to be done. So yeah, girl. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start cooking my breakfast or whatever, and then after that, girl, we're gonna get a little bit of relaxation on. Today is Sunday. If y'all don't watch Power, or if you don't watch Power Book, or if you don't watch BMF, girl, you are missing. Okay, so I'm about to sit on the couch after that. After I eat my breakfast, I'm gonna sit on the couch, watch Power Book, because the new season just came out today. It just came out today, y'all. I'm so excited because I love Power Book, okay? I love Power Book. Tariq, I love him, but he be showing out. Like, I just cannot wait to see, like, what's about to happen. And then BMF, y'all already know, that show is really good too, y'all. If you have Stars, those shows are on the Stars app. We're about to get into it, honey. I'm so excited, like, okay, period. So, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and make my breakfast, and then I'm going to see y'all a little later.
Disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man.
Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later, so I just got finished cleaning my bathroom. Girl, it just takes me forever to clean. I still have my whole house to clean, but if y'all want to see like my cleaning routine, I have that link down below, because I actually did like a little cleaning motivation video, so I have that link down below. And then I was going to do like my self-care routine for this Sunday reset. I'm still going to do it, but I'm actually going to do like a separate video, like my self-care routine. So yeah, girl, if you're interested in seeing that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So yeah, I just want to come on here and put y'all on to something right quick, okay? Because I got put on and I want to put y'all on. So I recently just picked up this Febreze plugins. Girl, I feel like usually when I get plugins, they really do not be smelling like anything. Like once I leave my house and I come back in, I cannot smell nothing. So I got these yesterday. I plugged them in yesterday, and when I came back in my house this morning from walking Bella, girl, my house smells so good. Like bomb. Okay, Shaded by Jade actually put me onto these because I was watching her little Sunday reset and I was like, what she got up in here? And she showed these. Girl, they smell so good. Y'all know Febreze be smelling good, y'all. So yeah, I just only brought one and I need to buy some more because I want to put them in different areas in my house. But right now I just have it sitting like right here in my front room. So girl, when I come in, I can smell it. So like, it smells so good, y'all. And the scent that I got is Ocean. They didn't have they only had this scent for the one that comes with the plug, because I didn't have a plug, so I had to buy the one that had the plug. So yeah, this is the only scent that they had. So yeah, girl, I just want to tell y'all about that because it smells so good. So another thing that I like to do on Sundays to kind of reset my week, I like to write down like my finances, like my bills that I have for the upcoming month, because y'all know, if you don't, that first be coming around real quick, and the rent is due now, not later. The bills are due now, not later. So yeah, I'll be having to write down my little finances or whatever. So just a regular little notebook, y'all. So I'm about to finish cleaning the rest of my house, and then I'm gonna do some self-care, and I'm just gonna relax because Sunday is really for relaxing. Like, why am I doing the most right now on Sunday? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is basically the end, girl. If you watched it all the way through, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.